Hills, and we are gonna go see the Bella Canvas production facility today. They're doing their first annual creator event. So excited, have no idea what it is, what it's about, but I saw there was like a bunch of goodies downstairs last night, and it looks like they're doing a lot of fun stuff. So come with us today. Tiff and I arrived last night, and she was super excited to see palm trees in California, and we got one. There's really no palm trees in Beverly Hills. We were like, the heck? There's like 6. I see 6 over there. But yeah, join us for the day. We're gonna I don't even know what we're doing. I know we're eating, and we are seeing a lot of factory stuff. So it's like a field trip. Let's go. Got to the headquarters. We're waiting for breakfast and DIY ourselves some coffee.
Yes.
They have this cute, yeah.
Dude, it's insane in here.
It's so cute. This is like office goals one day. Huh?
Oh, this is
Auntie
big
Studio.
office goals. Like there's a live tree above us.
There's like 800 couches. So they've got all these fun setups for us. They have, I don't know, I think this is just the tip of the iceberg, because we're also going to the manufacturing spot. So this is gonna be so cool to see. I'm obsessed already. Look at all the rainbows, colors, and all the brightness. So fun!
Swagger.
I wonder what, oh, it says Bella Canvas on the side.
Love it. What's
so
in
cute.
there?
It's like a little like jersey bag. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I've already loved. This is my one of, look at that crew.
Oh my gosh, I love
Look
that.
how cute this is.
I love
it's
that.
rubber. It's like rubber.
That's so cute.
So cute. The hoodie, and then how cute. I'm obsessed. Sticker. So we don't lose power today.
Oh, I love
They're all, you're
that.
coming here to film us. Make sure it happens. And that.
Oh, right on. A dongle.
A dongle. Good job.
Hey.
Look how cute. You look cute in trucker hats.
I love trucker hats.
I'm not sure how I look in trucker hats.
Because I carried those glitter high pony ones for a while.
Yeah.
So I love that.
Dustin loves trucker hats, so maybe I'll make him rep this in Mexico and take some pictures.
Yes.
Yeah.
I love it.
He's got the swag bag too.
Yes. This is so...
Really?
When you just said bye.
This is literally just so cool. It's like production to, they said they come out with, I think she said 5 to 8 million shirts or pieces a week. I feel like, was it 5 to 8 million pieces a week?
5 to 6 million units per week.
Units per week. That is crazy. Makes me feel a little better about when I'm like sublimating 100 pieces of fabric.
And the way that there's still so much quality to the apparel with all the machines that they have, and just like their technique and their ethos is insane. Like, this is why we love Bella Canvas.
Everything here is run by solar power, and then they also have skylights, because this is down in Beverly Hills where it's like 97% sunny always. The workers here get to work in sunshine. A couple of them have different music playing, so I just really like to see like companies that have their like staff doing things that they really love.
So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come. I've seen it all upon the silver screen, the happy faces and a sign upon a hill.
So when somebody goes out and orders 5, we'll come pick it from here. If somebody orders 2 cases, we'll grab it from here.
And all your hopes and dreams will always be fulfilled. So I'll be coming real soon. Yeah, I'll be coming real soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that.
Before we throw anything in the direct to garment printer, we do have to pre-treat. So I have the eco-free Mr. T. This is going to apply the pre-treat exactly where we need it in an efficient way, only where we're going to be printing. Now the ink is wet, the pre-treat is wet, so that's where the heat press comes in. We use that at the beginning to lay the fibers down, give us a nice smooth clean area for the printing. We dry the pre-treat, and that's how we cure the ink. And with the right settings, you guys can enjoy 40-50 washes, no problem.
Direct film printing is, again, really popular because it goes on pretty much anything. And so, you guys have any questions?
Love. It's like a jingle.
Feels so good.
I know. So now we're in the retail store. So we literally got to see everything.
Signature suede fleece is what this is.
And what does it retail for here?
It retails for $58.
Right. So guys, this is high-end stuff.
Oh my gosh, like this is like you want to snuggle.
Yes. That's so cute on you too. I love that color. Huge thank you to Bella Canvas for treating me and Tiffany so amazing on this trip. Guys, I have a video coming out around Bella Canvas every single month for the next year. I am so excited to be working with them, and man, did they know how to show us a good time.